Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to blog on Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to blog on Notion. The first thing for you to do is to open the notion.so, that's your Notion workspace, and log into your account. Next thing to do is to create a new page for your blog. And how do you do that? Go ahead and click on this create a new page button at the sidebar or type /page on an existing page and select page from the drop down menu. So I'm not going to click on create a new page. This is my existing page, and from here I'm just going to do // and page, and it opens me up to a new page. So over here, give your page a title. This is going to be blog. So you can give a page a title such as the name of the blog or a specific blog post title. The next thing to do is to set up your blog layout. To create a blog layout, you can use a variety of blocks and formatting options. Here are some ideas that you can choose. First off, you can add a cover image, and add a cover image by clicking on add cover at the top of the page. And once you go ahead and click on that, it sets a visual header for your blog post. Now you can click on change cover to, of course, change the cover. The next thing to do is to select table of content. And how do you do that? /table. Table of content. And now once you click on that, go ahead and add a table of content to your blog. So once you type table of contents to add a table of content block, it auto generates links based on your headings. So that's it. Add headings to create table of content. Go ahead and click on this, so just customize that. Then you can also use headings. All right. So you can enter a fresh block and /. You can use heading 1, you can use heading 2, or you can use heading 3 to organize the sections of your blog. Now, the next thing to do is to use the text blocks to write your content. So format your text with options like bold, italics, and underline. I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're already on / to / text, and go ahead and write. So this could be red color, and once you're done, go ahead and highlight. And once you highlight, you're going to see the toolbar. Now select from the options to bold in, italicize, or to underline. Just go ahead and customize that and you'll be good to go. So you can go ahead and add additional content blocks. Okay, so you can enhance your blog post with other types of blocks such as quote, code, and to-do list. How do you do that? /, select quote, and once you select quotes, which we have here, the quote is to include quotes or to highlight. Then if you use /, click on code, it means you want to add code snippets if relevant. And if you use /, to-do list, it means you want to use to-do list for actionable items or checklists. Now I can create links between related posts or sections by typing @. So type an @ then followed by the name of another Notion page, which we have in here. So just say the click link to pages. So just go ahead and link your pages if you want to link the pages in there, and that's it. So Notion does not have inbuilt publishing features for external website. All right. So to share your blog post publicly, go ahead and share the page by clicking on the share icon or the share button at the top icon of the page. And once you do that, go ahead and toggle on. So click on publish, and once you click on publish, then you can create a website for Notion and go ahead and click on publish. This is for Notion. All right, so click on invite only, and just make this public if you want to make this public by clicking on anyone with the link or everyone at Amanda Max Notion, but you have to click on anyone with the link, and that's just pretty much how to go about it. And there you go. Now you can also export as PDF or Markdown. So click on this 3-dot icon that is here at the top icon of your screen and scroll all the way down and click on export. And once you click on export, go ahead and choose your preferred format for sharing or publishing elsewhere. Now create a blog index page where you list a link to all your blog posts. So you can use a table or a gallery view in Notion database to manage and categorize your post. How do you do that? How do you create a database? Go ahead and click on / and type in database. And once you type in database, use database inline, and then change the view to a table view or a gallery view. and manage or categorize your posts from there. I just don't want to go through that process and just letting you know how you can just navigate the options to make good use of your blog. And regularly update your blog by adding new pages for each post and updating your index page to include new content. And that's it. You've successfully set up a blog on Notion. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.